Okay guys, so here we have the Rennline Blower Motor cover. It comes in two colors, raw aluminum and black, powder coated in black. In order to make this video a little bit shorter, I've gone ahead and pre-assembled the additional brackets that I got to the cover. I didn't want to disassemble the original part because I want to keep it as is in case, I don't know, the future owner wants to put the original one back. And as a matter of comparison, this is what the original one looks like. It's just simply made out of cardboard. It's got a little nick here, no big deal, but it just looks a little cheap, and I didn't want to keep that in the car. The reason I ordered the brackets is because the original ones are riveted to the cover, and if I took it apart, I would literally ruin the entire cover. So I wanted to use the new one, and we will be installing it in just a matter of minutes. One additional point that I wanted to highlight is, if you see at the very top, you have this latch, this special nut. I believe these nuts are for the carpet that snap into it. Now the new one doesn't have that. It's not a problem for me at this point because I plan to leave the trunk or frunk naked. I don't plan to buy a carpet kit for it, even though the current carpet is fine. But I do like how the front of the car looks without any carpets. Okay, let's take a real quick peek at the frunk with nothing inside it, completely naked. Here we go. I've cleaned this bit out. And now I'll show you where the original used to be. That is the basic location of the original. As you can see, we will be putting the new one on in just a minute. I'm going to loosen the 4 screws that hold the bracket in. It's also this one, and this one. Okay, so now what we need to do is just tighten these little nuts a little bit more firm. With a wrench, Allen wrench. Get them nice and tight. And I'll go ahead and do all of these, and then we'll install these. All right, now we're gonna put it on and see how it looks. Okay, she's on there. It's a little bit loose. but I'll go in there and tighten it in a bit. That looks outstanding. One of the most easiest, beautiful, and coolest ways to dress up your frunk. No carpet needed.